Hello viewers, how are you? So today we will discuss about platinum handbags, designs and ideas. So these bags, it's most unique bags and everyone like these bags because platinum bags are leading supplier of a quality reusable bags at competitive prices in every country. Platinum bags is one of the most shop for premium branded bags customized to meet your exact needs. Practical, durable, and stylish, our bags are not only good for the planet but are also a smart marketing solution for your brand or business. From concept to completion, you can leave the design, production, and delivery for your bags in our experienced hands while you focus on your business. So this is used for business, and this bag is used for your business, and this bags you should to try these bags, and you should to buy these bags because these bags is one of the most reusable bags and quality bags, competitive bags and competitive price. So very great quality and very branded bags. If you like this video, so please share this video and please subscribe our channel. So thanks for watching.